What if there was a special store in your neighborhood that carried a huge collection of exquisite, luscious, perfectly spun candy? Did we say candy? We meant thread. Threads in every color, material, and weight that will set your heart a-pounding. From smooth, glossy metallics to barely there superfine threads, and even an ultra-low lint cotton, this store is your ultimate thread source for any projects, start to finish. We call these stores a WonderFil Boutique because they offer you exclusive customer service, with staff personally trained by WonderFil, so you can shop confidently and receive the right information to make the best of your projects. Every boutique store carries a minimum of 11 of our favorite specialty thread lines. Perfect for piecing, bedazzling, disappearing, and more, your boutique will carry the threads you can count on for quality sewing. Let's take a closer look. Confetti and Tutti are gorgeous ultra-low-lint 50-weight Egyptian cotton threads. Spaghetti and Fruity are bold 12-weight ultra-low-lint Egyptian cotton threads. Razzle, Dazzle, and Sizzle are 8-weight rayon and rayon with metallic threads. Spotlight is a smooth-running 40-weight rayon core metallic thread. Mirage is a soft and supple 30-weight random-dyed variegated rayon thread. Deco Bob is an ultra-fine 80-weight cottonized polyester thread. You'll also find Invisifil, an ultra-fine 100-weight cottonized polyester thread. WonderFil Boutique stores also offer special events ongoing throughout the year. We fly one of our expert threaducators in to personally educate you on how to use each one of these thread lines, giving you the opportunity to experience the multiple ways on how you can use the thread, and also have the chance to practice sewing with them yourself. Many of these stores will also hold project-based classes, where you can apply that knowledge to a real take-me-home project that teaches you how to use those threads to their best design. With guidance from our threaducator, you'll have a successful, beautifully stitched piece made with your own hands. And then take home a sheet with your notes, hints and tips, and machine settings, so you can do it again in your own sewing room. Attend each of these events and you'll learn how to sew more efficiently when armed with the experts' tips and tricks, add special effects by changing your thread choice, and make your projects look more polished and professional. Our threaducator will walk you through setting up your machine and starting off with simple stitches, before moving on to more complex techniques and experimenting with different ways to use the thread. They'll show you the difference a specialty thread can make when compared to using a regular thread in every application, so you can understand why to use them, when to use them, and most importantly, how to use them. Boutique stores can be found all over North America, with a growing number of participating stores signing on all the time. Want to see if there's one in your neighborhood? Head over to www.wonderfil.ca/boutique-locations for a full list of boutiques. Our goal is to bring your community together, have fun, and learn lots. We want you to have a store you can depend on to give you all the skills and tools you need for a successful, simple sewing experience. Find your local boutique store, and we hope to see you at one of our many events in the future.